Let's say that 35 hypothetical English sentences. You must know, let's say that she leaves without saying goodbye. What would you do? Let's say you get everything you dreamed of. Are you ready for it? In English, when we imagine something, guess something, or create a situation in our mind, we say, let's say that. Today, you'll learn 35 powerful sentences to explore the what ifs of life with confidence. Welcome to English for All, the channel where real life meets real English. Today, we'll unlock the phrase, let's say that, perfect for giving examples, starting imaginary stories, and building fluent conversations. Let's say that Wander used to imagine a situation, make a guess, or introduce a hypothetical example. Let's say that you win the lottery. What will you do? Imagine you win a lot of money. What would be your first action? Let's say that she calls you back. What will you tell her? If she contacts you again, how will you respond? Let's say that you get the job. How will you celebrate? If you're hired, what will you do to enjoy the moment? Let's say that you fail. Will you try again? If you don't succeed, will you give up or keep going? Let's say that it's true. What next? If what we heard is correct, what's the next step? Let's say that he was right. What does that mean? If his opinion is correct, how does that change things? Let's say that I forgot. Would you be angry? If I really forgot something important, will you get upset? Let's say that we meet tomorrow. Where should we go? If we hang out tomorrow, what's the plan? Let's say that you miss the train. What will you do? If you're late and the train is gone, what's your next move? Let's say that it rains today. Will the plan cancel? If the weather gets bad, will we change our plans? Let's say that I'm wrong. Then prove it. If I made a mistake, show me with facts. Let's say that we have time. Should we go out? If we finish early, should we do something fun? Let's say that they agree. What's the next step? If they say yes, how do we move forward? Let's say that I'm busy. Can we talk later? If I don't have time right now, can we speak another time? Let's say that you pass. Will you thank me? If you succeed, will you appreciate my help? Let's say that nothing works. Will you still continue? If everything goes wrong, will you keep going? Let's say that I call her. What should I say? If I make the first move, how should I start? Let's say that we win. How will we celebrate? If we succeed together, what will the celebration look like? Let's say that she forgot. Was it on purpose? If he didn't remember, was it intentional? Let's say that we're wrongs. What will we learn? If our idea fails, what's the lesson? Let's say that she comes. Will you be ready? If she shows up, are you prepared to meet her? Let's say that things go wrong. Will you stay calm? If problems come, can you keep your cool? Let's say that it happens. Are you prepared? If the situation becomes real, can you handle it? Let's say that they invite us. Should we go? If we're included, should we accept? Let's say that I leave. Will you miss me? If I'm gone, will it matter to you emotionally? Now repeat after me. Practice speaking with confidence. Let's say that she apologizes. What then? Let's say that we forget the past. Can we start over? Let's say that the test is hard. Will you still try? Let's say that your phone breaks. What's your backup? Let's say that we get lost. What will we do? Let's say that I help. Will it make a difference? Let's say that no one shows up. Will you continue? Let's say that you disagree. How will you say it politely? Let's say that we don't know the answer. What should we do? Let's say that someone surprises you. How will you react? Take one of your real-life situations, a dream, a fear, or a goal, and start a sentence with, let's say that. It's the simplest way to unlock your imagination and speak fluent, thoughtful English. Every decision begins with a what if. Every goal starts with a sentence like, let's say that I try. If this video helped you imagine new ways to speak and think in English, drop a comment, share your favorite sentence, and don't forget to subscribe to English for All, because every word you say starts with belief.